Welcome back, Huskies. Welcome to day 5. Today we're going to have our magical steps look a little bit different, but we're going to be doing the same steps. First, circle the x's. So you look over here, where is our x's or our x? 4x right here. So we're going to type 4x. So we want it to be a circle. It says circle, so we're going to circle it here. We want this side to represent what we're going to do over here. So we're going to get another circle and circle our 4x. Our next step is color code. So we're going to take positive 8. We're going to go next to the A, and that's our highlighter, put it in yellow. And positive 24 is also a positive, so that's going to go in yellow. So we color code that. Now we're going to find the opposite. Find the opposite. So we want this by itself. That eventually is going to go down, right? We want it by itself. So we're going to go ahead and put our arrow here because eventually it's going to go by itself. But here we want the opposite of positive. We want the opposite. The opposite of what? Positive 8. We put this box here because some students were putting the wrong number. Some students were putting the opposite of 8 and 24. But no, we want the opposite of the number that's next to the variable right here. So what is the opposite of positive 8? Opposite is going to be negative 8. And that's going to be in red. So we're taking the opposite and we're going to place it on both sides of the equation, because whatever you do to one side of the equation, you must do to the other side of the equation as well. So we're going to color code this in red. There we go. So we are going to number 4 to simplify. So we have this magical wand here, and just like Harry Potter has a wand, we have a wand for you too. And this wand makes positive 8 and negative 8 make 0 pairs. So there's nothing here left. So we're going to go ahead and have 4x. Okay. And there's nothing left here. So there's nothing here. And then we're going to come over here and we are going to subtract because we have a positive and a negative. So what happens when we subtract when we subtract 8 from 24? What do we get? We get 16. And because we have more of the yellow, it's going to be a positive 16. Okay? Positive 16. All right. Now that we have been simplifying, we're going to go to the next step. We simplified right here. And the next step is 5. Divide by blank on both sides. We want x by itself. We're going to go ahead and highlight that in blue, as we've done in the past. Get a light blue. And we're going to divide by 4 because we have 4 groups. 4. But we're going to divide by both sides. So we're going to put 4 here and 4 over here. 4 on both sides. Okay, and that means that now we can take our giant 1 and 4 over 4 becomes a 1. And that means that x is by itself, like right over here. And all we have to do is divide 16 divided by 4. Or I like to say 4 times what number is 16? And 4 times 4 is 16. So there you go, Huskies. This is how you do problem number 1.